in my college of first year, and from there I was watching your videos. So I have planned to join your course, but as you told me, people don't like to spend because money will come and go.
Yeah.
So main thing is what you are learning and what kind of skill you have apart from technical. Fine, and that day I just call you, and I didn't plan to call you, but what happened? Some it's because of God of grace. I just connect with one guy, and he just give me, bro, you can join someone course, and then I remember your name. I just ask, I call you, and suddenly I took your like course. I
Yeah.
didn't think for too much. No, I'm gonna spend money. I will not wait for 1 or more year.
I
I think
also only watched one video. After that, I joined immediately your course. Only I watched only one video.
guys, keep going. I'm always ready for some praise. I will not stop you guys.
Yeah. I also watched your video first time, and first time I just decided go with you. And when I saw you are also from Bihar, and you are also doing just starting the things. I know you were starting, but I I have planned to go with a different course before that, because I am looking continuously to join any course.
Yeah.
But suddenly I found you, YouTube.
By the way, guys, I haven't paid them to praise me. So if you also want to improve your spoken English, then feel free to message me on my number. I don't usually post my testimonials, but I think this count as that. This should count as testimonial.
I think we all are coming here organically.
Yeah. All right, guys. So I think we were talking about money yesterday, our financial thing. But we will start our today's session by learning some adjectives. If you want to describe things, you must have a good list of words. And the words that we are going to learn today, they are called personality adjectives. It simply means that you are talking about a person. Yeah, these words can be used in other contexts too, but majority of the time we are using them to describe a person's personality. Good, bad. Kishan, what do you understand by this word called blunt? Do you need options?
Yeah,
Here
of
are your options.
course. Direct and sometimes rude.
Correct. Direct and sometimes rude. Somebody who is speaking to your face, whether you are going to feel good or bad, he or she doesn't care. मीन्स एक होता है ऑनेस्ट ईमानदार आदमी और एक होता है ब्लंट आदमी जो कुछ भी हो जैसे अगर लेट्स से इफ माय शर्ट इज नॉट लुकिंग गुड ऑन मी सो ही विल नॉट ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स ही विल डायरेक्टली टेल मी रोशन योर शर्ट लुक्स रियली बैड यू डोंट लुक गुड इन दिस शर्ट जैसे मैंने बताया क्या हुआ वेरी डायरेक्ट कि वो सोचेगा नहीं कभी कभी वो रूड भी हो सकता है सो डू यू नो एनीबॉडी हु इज ब्लंट हियर इज वन एग्जांपल he tends to be blunt when giving feedback मतलब कि उसका आदत है कि वो ब्लंट हो जाता है जब भी फीडबैक देता है तो जैसे योर फ्रेंड whenever he talked about your dressing sense your hairstyle how was he behaving he was completely blunt with you whatever sentence we are going to learn today they are a little bit advanced you know they are not very easy that we have been learning in our previous session ये आज का जो सेंटेंस है वो थोड़ा बाकी सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर से हट के है अब देखो इसमें कितना सारा सेंटेंस जुड़ा हुआ है इंस्टीड ऑफ सॉफ्टनिंग हर वर्ड्स एक सेंटेंस हुआ शी गेव ब्लंट रिप्लाई दो सेंटेंस दैट एंडेड द डिस्कशन थ्री सेंटेंस बट हम एक ही बात कहना चाहते हैं ना कि वो अपने वर्ड्स को सॉफ्ट नहीं करी मीन्स शी डिडंट बिकम पोलाइट शी गेव ब्लंट रिप्लाई यानी कि जो डायरेक्ट आंसर देती गई दैट एंडेड द डिस्कशन उसके वजह से डिस्कशन वहीं खत्म हो गया डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्टेक्स्ट हियर हाउ वी हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड ब्लंट
Here is the two people. One of them said something to someone.
Yeah.
So instead of taking her word, so she says she just gave us a blunt reply that ended the discussion.
Yes. मतलब उसने स्मॉल टॉक ना करके ब्लंट रिप्लाई दिया और डिस्कशन वहीं खत्म हो गया ऑल राइट राहुल इट्स योर टर्न व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस वर्ड सिनिकल
This word I didn't heard.
Is it the first time you are hearing it? Believes people are mostly selfish.
Selfish.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is called cynical. Means distrustful. You are not trusting anybody.
Yeah, distrustful. After years in business, he became cynical about people's promises. Yeah.
Means after years in business. So this is a context कि sentence क्यों start हो रहा है कि वो business में कई सालों से रहा है. He became cynical about people's promise. यानी कि distrustful हो गया. क्योंकि business में होता है क्या, people promise you that the goods are going to be delivered tonight and you get them after 2 days. They promise you they will return your money, they don't return it. So वो context set हो रहा है कि business में बहुत सालों के बाद रहने के बाद वो क्या बन गया, cynical बन गया लोगों के promises के बारे में, distrustful. The next word is for you. Defensive.
Get protective and sensitive when criticized, like you are
Correct.
defending to.
You know, we have some friends who always gets defensive. You know why? When
Yes.
कोई भी अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो अगर हम उनके बारे में मेंशन करें तो वो डिफेंसिव हो जाते हैं. Let's look at some examples. डिफेंसिव उसको भी बोल सकते हैं जो इजीली हर्ट हो जाए और प्रोटेक्टिव हो. ऑलराइट बलजीत, रीड द सेंटेंस.
He became defensive as soon as his work was questioned.
Can you understand now the exact meaning of defensive?
Yes, when we were questioning about his work, then he became the defensive. Like he is just justifying.
करेक्ट. जस्टिफाइंग इज अनदर वर्ड कि वो एक्सक्यूज देने लगेगा कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ. इम्पल्सिव. Here are your options.
Impulsive. I did not know.
Acts without thinking. ऐसा इंसान जो बिना सोचे समझे कोई काम करता है उसको इम्पल्सिव बोलते हैं. Here are some examples.
He made an impulsive
Loudly,
decision to
Ravi.
move- He made an impulsive decision to move cities overnight. Okay. That mind of my personality.
That's your personality?
Yes.
You are an impulsive man.
Instead of thinking, moving to another place.
Yeah. Let me translate it in Hindi. जैसे he made an impulsive decision, यानी कि उसने एक क्विक डिसीजन लिया बिना सोचे समझे सिटी चेंज करने का ओवरनाइट. मतलब एक रात में कि आज मैंने मन बनाया कि मैं दूसरे शहर में रहूंगा और अगले दिन पहुंच गया. सो दैट डिसीजन इज कॉल्ड इम्पल्सिव डिसीजन. और आप मुझे इम्पल्सिव भी बोल सकते हो. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस वर्ड इनसिक्योर?
Insecure means doubt themselves.
Yeah. Can you read the sentence, Chandan?
Because he feels insecure when speaking in front of a large audience. That's correct. I also feel it.
Yeah, we all feel it. But we get
Yes.
comfortable with practice. He feels insecure when speaking in front of a large audience. कि वो
Large audience.
कॉन्फिडेंट फील नहीं करता है जब भी उसको एक लार्ज ऑडियंस के सामने बोलना हो. Alright guys. So these 5 words that we learned today, all of these words can be called negative personality adjectives. कि हम किसी के ऐसे क्वालिटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं which is not positive. जैसे इनसिक्योर होना कोई पॉजिटिव बात नहीं है. Is it?
No.
No. This is you can call it a negative trait of a person. So in our upcoming classes, that's what we are going to learn. 5 adjectives to describe somebody's personality. Okay. Try to relate with these words. Imagine scenarios where you could use them. Whether you have somebody in your life जो अभी तो आपके लाइफ में कोई ऐसा इंसान हो जिसके साथ ये वर्ड यूज कर सकते हो. इससे क्या होगा? यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड्स. जैसे इनसिक्योर तो आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई भूलने वाला है. पहले से भी हमें पता था इनसिक्योर क्या होता है और अब आज हमने कुछ एग्जांपल बना लिया, सो वी कैन यूज देम व्हाइल स्पीकिंग.
I was